The last time I took you guys on a Home Depot plant haul here in Denver, we found some really good treasures, but this time, even I was wowed. Right off the bat, I see some variegation, and that is the Philodendron White Wizard. It's a little bit rough in shape, but still, those things bounce back so quickly. That is a Leaf Joy plant, 1998. Same goes for the Pink Princess, which is right next to it. Or Painted Lady, I should say, not a Pink Princess. Painted Lady. Those are so beautiful. Oh, and I love these. Epiprenum here. This is the Epiprenum Shangri-La, I think is how you say it. Shangri? I don't know. But I love how different those leaves are. Cool foliage. Plenty of umbrella trees. Plenty of colorful varieties that need a lot of humidity. Clearly, some little dracaenas, as well as some calathea, some ivies, some Dieffenbachia, as well as some cotyns. I love these around fall time. I'm not sure about you guys, but man, oh man, those colors just speak to me. In terms of the hanging plants, you have a lot of begonias, as well as ivies. Though I tend to stay away from IVs because pest magnets, I believe. And yeah, I'm not here for that. I had a spider mite issue once. Not a good story. But over on this side, more Dieffenbachia. Ooh, and I'm loving a lot of the more white wizards. Those ones look a lot nicer than the one we just passed by. Again, those are only $20. Drop it in the comments if you guys have those in your big box stores, because I remember, oh gosh, about a year ago, they were just really hard to find anywhere. Staghorn ferns. Oh, I love these, and I really should give one another try. I kind of want to. They call this one, though, a sword dance, as they give it a different name. Good humidity lovers, epiphytic plants, of course. Some beautiful Philodendron Brazil with lush, big leaves. And then we have some Trial Stars here, some Stramanthe. Those are so beautiful, easier to care for than, let's say, your Calathea. And then we have our Golden Girl, a Prismacolor Golden Girl, just like a Ring of Fire, basically. It's like their version of it. Leaf Joys. Leaf Joy makes excellent plants, so you can't go wrong with those. And again, they're only $20. And if you will remember, when the Philodendron Ring of Fires were like hundreds of dollars, and yeah, couldn't find them anywhere else. And just some cute little Hoyas over here as well. My Hoyas, and I don't know about you guys, but let me know in the comments, deal with mealybugs all the time. Oh yeah. That's what we have over here. Ooh, some more from Costa Farms, and these, of course, are the Monstera cobras, as they call them. Beautiful plants. And then Philodendron White Knights. These ones look like plumpier leaves with less variegation, though. So, no. Is this a golden crocodile? Philodendron golden crocodile. Yeah. I do love the bright color on the Philodendron golden crocodile. And this is the first time I have seen them at one of our big box stores, so that is a good find for sure. More ivy, and of course, bigger plants because people are into big plants. 12-inch Majesty Palms, $36.98. It's originally $60. ZZ plants up there with some Monsteras, $30. And some more umbrella trees and some sad looking pothos. But these plants are now two plants for $15. And look at this Syndapsis. Oh my gosh. That's two for 20. I might get that and another one because there's nothing wrong with that one at all. It's just beautiful. Stunning. And a lot of pothos in there as well. Including, well, I thought it was going to be a golden globe, global green pothos, I should say. Oh, and they also have some mythic quicksilvers up here in the 2 for 15. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to take advantage of that deal because those are salvageable. And then around here, some fiddly figs, ficus, more ficus rubber tree plants, and a lot of little ferns. But I'm curious to see what was on the other side because it did look like they had some things tucked away on the backside over here. And every so often, especially at this location, I will stumble upon a rare find, like a good anthurium that I have been wanting. But will I have that luck today? Ooh, more beautiful Hoyas. And by the way, if you're a Hoya fan, can you let me know in the comments what is your favorite Hoya? Because I have found some pretty darn good Hoyas here. Jade Pothos. You have some more Hoya carnosas as well. Oh, I do love these ones though. I wish that ivies weren't such big pest magnets because that would be fantastic. Boy, let's see. These little terrariums. Everybody's into terrariums now. And in the comments, let me know if you guys like terrariums also, because I know in past videos you guys have expressed that. I found a really awesome anthurium here once, and that's what I was hoping to find again. It was like an Ace of Spades hybrid, and so that was the goal. No, I didn't find that. I did find good deals, and I also noticed over here a bunch of orchids, and you know how much I love me my orchids, so I might have to pick up one of these as well. You'll also notice too a larger collection, and rightfully so because it is the summertime, of all of these outdoor plants and shrubs and all that good stuff. But one thing that really caught my eye as I walked into Home Depot today was the fact that I saw banana plants, banana trees over here. And I used to have one, and this was a couple years back, and they are fast growers, very fast growers, but also big pest magnets if you have them for an indoor plant. But I'm also curious in the comments what your guys' gardens are looking like right now. Let me know. So I did stop myself before going too far, and I did end up getting two orchids for my plant display. But let me know in the comments what you folks are finding at your big box stores, because I'm always curious to know. And as always, I want to thank you folks for watching another one of my plenty videos. And if you haven't already, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell for more fun and interesting plenty content just like this. So, I'm going to stay away from there. But in the meantime, why don't you guys watch my last video from my last Home Depot plant haul, where I stumbled upon some really interesting gems. Till then, I'll see you guys in the next video.